Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make a beautiful rose flower. I'm going to be using this scrap red yarn that I've got, this scrap green that I have. We need a bamboo stick or a wire of some sort for the stem. I'm using a 4mm crochet needle. Got a hot glue gun here, and we'll need a pair of scissors. I'm going for a kind of medium-sized flower. If you want to do a smaller flower, you will do less chains, but the pattern will be exactly the same. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and chain 60. So I do not do a magic circle. I tend to just hold the yarn like so, pop the yarn through and just twist. So chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've got 60 chains here. We're going to go ahead and double crochet into the third chain space. So skip the first 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and double crochet in there. What we're going to do next is chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet into that same chain space there. And then we're going to go ahead and skip 2 chains. So 1, 2. In the third chain space, double crochet. Chain 2, double crochet in that same space there. Can you see we're starting to form like a V pattern? We're going to do that all the way to the end. So I'll just do a few more with you. In the third chain space, double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. We've made an upside down V. Chain 2, double crochet in that same space. And now we've got a V that's the correct way up. Double crochet in the third chain space. 1, 2, 3. We've got an upside down V. Chain 2, double crochet in that same space there. And double crochet in the third chain. We've got the upside down V, chain 2, go ahead and double crochet in that same space there. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way until the end. Okay, so I have reached the end and our project is looking something like this at the moment. We are going to go ahead and chain 2, flip our work around, double crochet twice. Chain 2, double crochet twice. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and single crochet in the upside down V, and then we're going to go ahead and single crochet to get inside of the V space. Chain 2, double crochet again, and we're going to chain 2. This is me just attaching some yarn here. Double crochet. So after the chain 2, double crochet times 2, and then we're going to go in that upside down V, and we're going to single crochet. We're going to go in the V that's the correct way up, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet twice, chain 2, double crochet twice, and we're going to single crochet in the upside down V, single crochet in the V that's the correct side up just to get in there, chain 2. We're literally repeating that exact same pattern all the way to the end. So I'm going to show you that once more just to slow it down after I've completed this V. So single crochet in the V that's upside down, single crochet to get in the correct V, chain 2, double crochet twice, chain 2, again double crochet twice. And your work is going to start to curl, but it should look something like this. So carry that on all the way until the end. So your work should be looking something like this. And that literally is your flower. We're going to start to roll this around. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. There. That's our rose. We're going to work on the leaves next. You don't have to add leaves to yours. I am going to add leaves to mine. I will show you how to make the leaves. So I'm using scrap yarn. So I'm joining loads of bits of yarn together. Go ahead and chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to skip the first chain. We're going to single crochet in the next chain. We're going to half double crochet, and we're going to double crochet once, double crochet again, double crochet the third time, double crochet the fourth time, double crochet the fifth time. So 5 double crochets. Then we're going to do a double half crochet, then we're going to do a single crochet, and then in that last chain we're going to do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. We're going to repeat this pattern on this side. So single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to attach more yarn. So how I tend to attach yarn is I just hold it like that, and I don't do any knotting. I tend to just work the yarn in like this, and then I'll just hide the excess in there. So half double crochet, single crochet, and then to finish off, just a single crochet at the top. That's our leaf. So go ahead and make 2 leaves if you are going to be adding leaves to your rose. So now let's put everything together. So I've got my 2 leaves, I've got my long piece of rose wrapping, I've got my bamboo stick here, and then I've got some green yarn, I've got some more green yarn. Now's the time for us to get our hot glue gun out. Okay, so how I tend to wrap the yarn around the bamboo stick is I will leave a little bit of yarn for the end. I will come back to that because I don't want to burn my fingers, and I will just wrap like this. I've got loads of glue. Reach the end, and we'll just go ahead and finish. finish wrapping. Our stem is complete, and now let's look at wrapping up our rose. We're just going to curl our rose like this, so go ahead and just start to lay down some glue, wrapping the rose. Don't tighten this too much because we do need to leave a little bit of a gap for the stem to go into. I'm going to stop wrapping about there and secure the stem just like that. And now I'm going to carry on wrapping. Like that. And just do that last bit there. Like that. So with the petals, turn them upside down. We want the right side facing up. So plop some glue on there. And just place that on there. Same thing on the other side. Lovely. I'm just going to hold that there. Like that. Just wait for it to dry a little bit. Okay friends, and that is our complete rose. It looks beautiful. I'm really happy with it. Stems look very nice. The stem looks very nice. The leaves also look very nice. Looks nice and long, nice and realistic, really pretty. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.